Do you have trouble getting your protein shake at gym and looking for blender? The solution is simple. You just need a good portable protein shake blender. There are many different types of blenders for protein shakes, so it can be hard to choose the one that's right for you. There are many products available to choose from, best blenders for protein shake, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blenders for protein shake from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Blender for Protein Shakes. Hamilton Beach's blender for protein shakes is a powerful and versatile blender that can be taken anywhere. The jar has an easy carrying handle, as well as spout to help you drink on the go. With stainless steel blades, this compact machine will make smoothies or any other type of shake with ease. Just push down while operating under lids at once, no need for further buttons. This is the perfect way to make a quick and easy protein shake on the go. The blending jar doubles as a travel mug with a lid, so you can drink straight from the jar or pour your shake into a glass. The blending jar, blades and travel lid on this Hamilton Beach blender are all dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. It fits in most car cup holders and it's very compact, so it's ideal for small living spaces like apartments and dorm rooms. Plus, this blender has an extra wide mouth that makes adding ice cubes and other ingredients quick and easy. Pros. 1. Number 2. Dakaza Personal USB Blender. The Dakaza Personal USB Blender is a powerful portable rechargeable blender, which can be used to make various kinds of drinks. It has 6 pieces SUS 304 blades in 3D, and rotation speed up to 22,000 RPM min. The built-in 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery can be recharged by the power bank or computer. With this portable blender, you can enjoy your favorite juice wherever you are. The blender body is made of the same Triton material as the baby bottle. Our products are not only built-in mechanical safety devices that if the components are not properly assembled, but also 100% overcharged overheated protection for batteries, extending the life of it. Fully guarantee the safety of users. Tips. Please don't use the blender when charging or running without anything inside. It has the advantages of a blender and water bottle. The blender cup is detachable, easy to clean, easy to flush. It can be used as a regular water bottle when you don't need the blending function. The full blender is all about the size of a water bottle. It is perfect for daily use and carrying outside. It is ideal for the office, gym, outdoors, traveling, camping or fishing. Pros. Spout for strong durable plastic and very easy to carry air and come with 2 straws, small and powerful. Number 3. HChef Blender for Shakes with 2 bottles. The HChef Blender is the perfect tool for making delicious and nutrient-rich smoothies that are packed with protein, fiber, antioxidants and essential vitamins and minerals. With its powerful motor and stainless steel blade, it blends ingredients effortlessly to create a tasty drink in seconds. A blender for shakes and smoothies is used to crush fruits and vegetables into a delicious, silky texture. Bulla Blender has compact structure, easy to install. With 3 silicone feet, anti-skid and shock resistant. Excellent heat dissipation can protect the smoothie maker machines and prolong the working time. Personal blender equipped with a safety lock and overheat protection system, only work when the cup is locked properly onto the base. Will stop automatically when the motor's temperature gets too high, to guarantee the safety of use. The best blenders for shakes and smoothies can be used in the kitchen or on the go, making them perfect for people who want to eat healthy but don't have time to cook. A blender for shakes and smoothies is all. Number 4. Promix Electric Shaker Bottle. Promix Electric Shaker Bottle with patented X-Blade technology is the ultimate shaker bottle for protein shakes, meal replacement drinks and more. Our battery-powered blender bottle mixes your drink to a smooth consistency without all the lumps that can be found in other shakers. The Promix MyX-Ray A has an easy push-button operation, just press down on the lid to activate the motor. One full charge of 2 AA batteries will give you up to 80 minutes of mixing power. The patented mixing bowl rotates inside the bottle to create a vortex which mixes your ingredients together every time you shake. The MyX-Ray is manufactured from high-quality materials and has been designed with detail in mind, making it not only beautiful but also functional. Design. Functionality. Performance designed after 6 years of passion and product evolution. Jaw-dropping in looks, innovative in functionality and tested, recommended and prized by athletes the world over. Fitness gift, the perfect gift for any fitness enthusiast, with 1-year warranty and industry-leading customer service. The MyX-Ray can be used for any type of powder-based drink such as protein shakes. Pros. Double seal technology and powerful battery neuroblend easy to clean and use. Cons. Not for hard fruits, only good for protein shakes. Number 5. Pop Babies Blender for Shakes. The Pop Babies portable USB rechargeable blender is the perfect blender for home, office or travel. It's small enough to fit in your handbag or backpack, but powerful enough to make smoothies and shakes on the go. This blender is ideal for people who are always on the move, especially parents who want a quick breakfast before rushing out the door with their baby. The compact design makes it easy to blend your favorite smoothie or shake while you're charging up at your desk. This blender is perfect for protein shake. You can get 20 plus drinks per charge. This blender features a compact design that makes it super portable. You can blend drinks on the go or enjoy them at home with the 14 ounces jar. The unique blending function also allows you to charge your phone while blending your favorite drinks. Strong enough to crush ice cubes, frozen fruits and seeds. No worry plug issues when travel to different countries. Pros. Battery 4000 mAh and 304 stainless steel detachable label cup normal sound. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.